If your Bluetooth device is not working correctly on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, here's what you can do to try to solve your issues. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings. Go to Bluetooth, and what you can do is you can turn off your Bluetooth on your phone completely. Then we're gonna turn off your Bluetooth device, turn Bluetooth back on, and we're gonna turn on our Bluetooth device again as well. This should allow you to refresh Bluetooth on your phone, and hopefully this might be a simple solution. And especially it is useful if you had your Bluetooth device connected before. In case you have an issue with connecting, then what you can do is you can, for example, completely turn off your Bluetooth device and turn it back on, simple as that. Of course, if your Bluetooth device has a pairing button, then you want to use it to make sure that your Bluetooth device is detectable on other devices. So look for a button or something similar, although I know that some Bluetooth devices do not have a pairing option. So if that is the case, you want to simply make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to any other device. Of course, remember that you can use the refresh option after a short while, so you can refresh the list of available devices, and then you can try to find your Bluetooth device on this list and confirm that you want to pair, of course. Besides that, if you don't have the pairing button and your Bluetooth device keeps reconnecting to another device, then what you can do is you can also perform a factory reset or hard reset of your Bluetooth device. This is also true if you cannot, for example, find your Bluetooth device on this list of available devices at all, if it's not detectable at all. So what you want to do is you want to find a user manual, like instructions on how to factory reset your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot tell you how to do that with your Bluetooth device because every device has its own way of factory resetting the settings and pairing options and so on and so forth. So you want to find the manual first, perform the factory reset on the Bluetooth device, and then once again try to pair your Bluetooth device with your OPPO Reno 15 Pro. And there is one more thing that we can do on our OPPO Reno 15 Pro. And what you can do is in settings, we can go to system and update. Then we're gonna go to backup and reset. Then over here we have the reset phone option, and then you want to choose reset network and Bluetooth settings. And if you go here and decide to reset these settings, this reset will include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. Unfortunately, we cannot separate it. So if you decide to reset these settings, you will reset all three, which also means that, for example, you will have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks because they will be erased from the phone. Once you do the reset, you just want to go back to the Bluetooth settings and try to pair your Bluetooth device again, and hopefully this time it's going to work. Also remember to restart your phone as well. Sometimes a simple restart of the device can be helpful too. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.